So how to create a paint booth really cheap. I use found wood, like pallet wood or whatever else, and I pieced together this. I'm sharing the plans. Probably what you're going to be most interested in this video is the rack that holds the spray paint that I have on the left and right. I'm calling it magazines. Each row holds 4. I wanted to do this on the cheap, and I wanted to get it done. And the truth is, using found wood or whatever wood I have around was a little bit more work. I got rid of the scrap wood that I have, so I started just building up things, 2x4s, painting it. I had something that I had like a little grow tent that I had a base for. I put that there. So now I feel like I got a good rolling cabinet for this paint booth, and I have these magazine racks. I have an exhaust system at the top that will exhaust it outside, but I can also use the bottom to scale up and either put a filtration system there to get rid of the VOCCs or the paint particles. My buddy Byron helps me out with the chemistry stuff. Let me actually just explain the rack to you. So this is going to be put on the side of the paint booth so I can grab whatever can. I'm painting it black because it's just, I like flat black. And I painted the paint booth gray, so I thought it would look cool. So this is the design. You can expand the design to taller. You can even do wider. If you need me to customize the plans, let me know. So once you assemble this, you can either cut it on your laser, your bandsaw, or your CNC. Just follow the plans if you want. It is a simple part. The hardest part is assembling the magazine rack, which holds 4 aerosol cans. So I finished the project. It was a long weekend. I now can paint, and I have a space down below where I can paint bigger objects, or up top, and I can ventilate it outside. I need to add a bigger CFM fan to exhaust it out. I may use a different type of fan, maybe a Dayton fan that I'll link below, because I need it to go down to a 4-inch or a 6-inch or 8-inch, depending on what plenum I use. But I'm really excited to have this, and I feel grateful. But we lost power this weekend. It was a long, hot weekend, and I finished it, but I couldn't buy what I wanted to make, or I couldn't buy what I could make. Whatever you do, make something that connects someone. Thanks, peace, and out. I really appreciate you being here. I hope you're doing well. Take care.